In this video, I'll show you how you can add a YouTube video to your own playlist or to someone's playlist basically. So all you need to do is open up the YouTube app, and you can do this on your desktop device as well. It works exactly the same, desktop, Android, iOS, it doesn't really matter. So all you need to do is go to the YouTube video. For the sake of this video, I'll just go with one of my own videos, and all you need to do is click on the three dots right there, and you'll then find save to playlist. Now that's all you need. So all you need to do then is click on it, and you'll then find your playlist. You can then select the one that you want to add it to. So just choose one of them. I'll just go with this one. Or you can click on new playlist right there. If you don't have one yet, you can make one. Now by doing that, all you need to do next is click on done. And by doing that, you will actually add a YouTube video to a playlist. So if this quick and simple video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.